I'm Miss Walker, and in this video, I am going over week 6, Tuesday. And as you can see, this is not my first time going over this page. I messed up a couple times. So we're going to be doing input-output boxes. On these input-output boxes, we know the numbers go in and then they come out, but we have to find the rule or follow the rule. And in all of these, we are either going to add or subtract. Now, we know in 3rd grade, we can add, subtract, multiply, divide. The patterns can go vertically. They can go horizontally. They can even go +2, subtract 5. So patterns can be any way they choose. But on these, it's only one pattern we're looking at, and it's going to be either addition or subtraction. So on this first one, the rule is subtract 2. So it's -2. So when you have your input number, you're going to take away 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. 9 minus 2 is 7. 10 minus 2 is 8. And 15 minus 2 is 13. On this next one, we're taking away 3. 7 take away 3 is 4. Well, 8 take away 3 is 5. 13 take away 3 leaves me with 10. And 15 take away 3 is 12. On this next one, the rule is add 5. That means plus 5. I'm going to go ahead and write these in. 3 plus 5. If you need to write +5 in between here so you know what's going on, then write it. 3 plus 5 is 8. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 5 is 11. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 1 more is 11. And 5 plus 4, I was going to do it where I break it down, but it's 19. Okay. The next one, the rule is add 1. That one we should do pretty well on. 3 plus 1 more is 4. 5 plus 1 more is 6. 6 plus 1 more is 7. 12 plus 1 more is 13. Okay. Now these input-output tables are going horizontally. Remember, horizontally is this way and vertically is up and down. So these are going horizontally. So your input is on top and your output is going to be on bottom. My rule is -1. So 6 minus 1 is 5. 7 minus 1 is 6. 8 minus 1 is 7. Excuse me, that was not ladylike. 11 minus 1 is 10. On the next one, the rule says add 2. So if your input is 5 and you add 2, you get 7. 9 plus 2 is 11. 12 plus 2 is 14. And 14 plus 2 is 16. Here's this next one. Mike and Jeff were born on the exact day, but not in the same year. Their ages are shown in the table below. 4, if Mike is 4, Jeff is 7. If Mike is 13, Jeff is 16. If Mike is 15, Jeff is 18. If Mike is 20, Jeff is 23. So this pattern to me looks like it is adding 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. 13 plus 3 is 16. 15 plus 3 is 18. 20 plus 3 is 23. 28 plus 3 is 31. And 30 plus 3 is 33. So when Mike was 13, how old was Jeff? So Mike is 13. Jeff has to be 16 because it says so right here. When Jeff is 31, how old is Mike? So Jeff's 31, Mike is 28. How much older is Jeff than Mike? Well, if the rule is +3, he's got to be 3 years older. All right, last one, number 10. Which choice best explains the rule for this table? Circle 1. Subtract 5. Well, I never subtracted 5, so I know that one's not right. Subtract Mike's age to find Jeff's age. So Mike, I don't do 4 minus 3 to get 7. Can't be B. C. Add 3 to Jeff's age to find Mike. Jeff, 7 plus 3 is 4. No, I didn't do that. D. Add 3 to Mike's age to find Jeff's age. Okay, so Mike had 4. I added 3 to that, and I got 7. Yes. So this answer is letter D. All right. Well, that is the end. So I'm sorry my boxes didn't turn out correctly. I don't know what was going on with that. And my food that I ate earlier, my Mexican food, decided it didn't want to sit well with me. So I apologize for that. But besides that, I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.